So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of the police, but this car looks good.
I just want it.
Can you see myself? Can you see myself? Can you see myself? See myself? Can you see myself?
How's it going, viewers? It's your boy DC. Yes, right on another weekend video. So this time, yes, it is the info and the unboxing of this SWAT Interceptor, the Skoda Octavia. I was about to go for the normal version, but this car with its police interceptor SWAT logos and stickers looked really cool, and plus I bought it because of the white color wheels right there, because that is a really good looking one. So yeah, and this car has a lot of details which we'll talk about in the unboxing part. But if you guys are new to my channel, just hit that subscribe button down there if you guys like collecting cars, because I'm gonna get more of them, that's for sure. Anyways, and also follow me on Instagram and Facebook, don't forget that. Alright, first let's go for the unboxing. Let's take a round look of this box. Also, yeah, let me just show you around it. So yeah, this is the total cars which you get in the, well, let's see, Hot Pursuit series. That is, you have the Australian police, the UK police, and the police chase, which is a Toyota Innova, which I have the normal version of. But this one right here is the police interceptor, which is the US version. So it's pretty nice. Got that pullback action with door opening, not bad. Well, why don't we just check it out now for the unboxing. Alright, looking at the Skoda Octavia police car. So yeah, first look, I don't like the details that much because the headlights are peeling off at the edges and the grille is not properly fitted. It feels like it's gonna fall any moment now. Well, yeah, the police logo right here is not so good attention to detail. What's it right here? Oh, police car from 2005 to 2016. Well, okay. And I like the wheels. Yeah, they're glossy white, not that glossy, but up to some extent. And it's written police interceptor, SWAT logos, which is kind of nice. You have the tail lamps, which is not very well polished, and they look like plastic. Oh, obviously they're plastic. The whole car is plastic. Anyways, it has a good sunroof, I guess, and the interior has no much details, so that's a really terrible interior. Well, yeah, the door opens, which is okay-ish, and at the bottom, I just saw this scuba car. Okay, does it go scuba diving? Anyways, that's not really funny, I know. Anyways, now checking out the pullback action. Okay, that's pretty powerful. Yeah, it's a bit faster than the other car's motors, which is good, I guess. Now let's go for the info. Now moving on to the specs of this police interceptor, talking about its engine at first, guys. So the engine in the base variants, it was a 1.4 liter 16 valve inline 4 cylinder, and if you go to the top end ones, it was a 1.8 liter inline 4 20 valve turbocharged engine, which was available in the RS version, which is a performance Octavia. You guys know the RS version, right? Which was really good looking, and even now it's a very cool car. And going for the transmission part, yes, you have various options, the 5 and the 6 speed manuals and a 4 and a 5 speed automatics. So if you are willing to buy one, these are the options you have to choose. Well, going for the horsepower, yeah, the 1.8 liter turbocharged engine from the RS version produced 178 brake horsepower, which was not bad at its time, like at the time of 2000 to 2010. Well, going for the other engine, that's a 1.4 liter base engine, it produced a 74 for an econo box. It's pretty good, I guess. Going for the acceleration time, yes, it did 7.2 seconds in the top models, and it went all the way down to 14.3 seconds, which is, yeah, manageable. Going for the top speed, yes, it's going from 174 kilometers per hour to 242 kilometers per hour. That's 114 miles per hour to 140 miles per hour. That's a huge difference, guys. Well, talking about the body style, yes, it's available in a 5-door liftback and also a 5-door estate, which is yeah, I don't like the estates, so yeah, that's not good. Going for the drive variants, guys, you have a front wheel drive version and an all wheel drive version. Mostly in India you get the front wheel drives, which is pretty sad, you know. Well, that's it for the info, guys. I hope you guys got yeah, the knowledge you wanted. Well, talking about its ratings, looking at its details and its performance stuff, I give it a less score, 7 out of 10. Yes, it doesn't deserve much because the details on this car is pretty lacking compared to the other Sunny toys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do comment your thoughts on this car and let me know in the comment box. Alright, I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned for more. DCS out. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching and do subscribe!